Have you noticed one thing? Before COVID, CA final results were comparatively better. But after COVID, results become more unstable and students started struggling with retention, confidence and reading performance. Why did actually it happen? Personally, I feel one of the hidden reasons is the over dependence on marathon and revision lectures. Now listen carefully. I'm not saying revision batches are bad. They are definitely useful. But a real problem starts when students replace self-revision with marathon consumption. And honestly, after COVID, this trend increased massively. Before COVID, most students depended mainly on regular classes, handwritten revision, repeated self-study, personal notes. But after COVID, online education exploded. Suddenly, students had unlimited YouTube revision, one-day marathon batches, fast-track revision culture, multiple faculty revision before exam, and slowly many students stop revising on their own. Today many students think exam से पहले marathon देख लेंगे और revision हो जाएगा. But revision does not mean watching. Revision means recalling. Huge difference. If your brain is only listening and not actively recalling, then it creates temporary comfort but weak retention. You know, real revision happens when you sit alone, open your notes, and try to remember concept without teacher support. That struggle, that discomfort, that effort to recall is what actually builds memory for exam. Marathon batches can support revision, but they cannot replace deep self-revision. Most students today are doing passive revision. Teacher continuously explain and student feel but actual test happen when books is closed, teacher is not there, question paper come, and your brain has to produce answer independently. That is why many students struggle in exam hall. Marathon batches also create an illusion of productivity. Student watch 10-hour lectures, 12-hour revision, multiple revision video and feels बहुत पढ़ लिया. But actual output may still be weak because no writing practice, no self-recall, no repeated revision, no independent thinking. CA exam do not test watching capacity. ICAI tests reproduction under pressure. Honestly speaking, when I compare pre-COVID student with the post-COVID student, I feel earlier student had more stronger self-study habit. Today, many students remain dependent on external explanation till the last few days before exam. And this dependency weakens confidence inside the examination hall. Again, let me clarify, I am not against revision batches. Good revision batches are extremely useful, but only when concepts are already clear, classes are already completed, self-revision is already done, and marathon is used only for reinforcement. Revision batch should be a support system and not the foundation of any preparation. Remember one line, watching revision is not equal to revising. Real revision starts when your brain works without any support, and maybe this is one major reason why students today study more hours but retain less in exam. CA is clear through active recall, not through passive consumption. Don't replace self-study with marathon revision. This is my personal observation. I would generally like to know your perspective. Be honest, have marathon batches helped your preparation or made you dependent before exam? Comment. I am waiting for your comment.